In this video we're going to look at stem and leaf diagrams, or Stemplots. So a stem and leaf diagram is a frequency diagram in which the raw data is displayed together with its frequency. So you can think about a bar chart telling you the height of each group, and a stem and leaf diagram is similar to that, only it's rotated 90 degrees, so it would be a horizontally stacked bar chart. But instead of bars being measured, we put in the actual raw data. So what we have in a stem and leaf diagram is a stem, a leaf, and we might have numbers like so. And with these, we need a key to understand what these numbers mean. So the key might be 2/4 means 24 centimeters, or it could mean 2.4 inches, or it could mean 0.24 years, or whatever the units might be. So the first number, the number that's contained in the stem, is going to be the number in the tens place, or the units, or the first decimal place, depending on how the key represents it. And the number afterwards would then be the subsequent number. So example 26, the following data gives the marks out of 60. Place the stem and leaf diagram. So I'm going to draw my stem and my leaf, and I'm going to go through the data and place them in now. It's 2 digits, so I'm going to go from 0, 0 up to 60. So my tens is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll put in a 6 in case somebody did get full marks. So the first value is 28, so that's going to go into 2 row, and I'm going to put the 8 beside it. 38, so I'm going to put the 8 in the 3, and then 42, so the 2 beside the 4. 5, so I'm going to put that in the 0 row. 13, the 3 in the 1 row. Then 23 is going to go beside the 8. 14. And we've finished it off. Now the thing with the stem and leaf diagram is that the values must all be ordered. So I'm going to repeat the stem plot and then add in the numbers, but in ascending order. So I've got all my numbers in, and I've discounted the 6 row because nobody had achieved full marks. The one other thing that we need then is a key, and my key I'm going to choose is going to be 0/3, means 3 marks. Another thing we can do is draw a back-to-back stem plot, which compares 2 sets of data. Both sets must be ordered from the stem, and we must have a key on each side. So our stem and leaf diagram, our stem is in the middle, and the values will go in ascending order from the stem out. So example 27, place the 2 sets of data on the back-to-back stem plot. So here's my diagram, and I'm going to put it as the unit of the tens in the stem. And I'm going to do set 1 on the right and set 2 on the left. And there's set 1 complete, and then moving on to set 2. And what we need to do is repeat this, but we need to make sure that the data is in order.